What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on Andy's RCF. As you can see, we're on the rear part of the car, so we're going to be installing something on the rear part of the car. Today we're actually going to be installing the Sabon carbon fiber spoiler, as you can see here. I know the carbon package RCF comes with it as well as the carbon roof, but Sabon was able to make a replica part. So for those of you who can't afford the carbon RCF, this is a very great alternative. So it's actually quite easy to take the spoiler off. You gotta take all the clips off the under trim of the trunk, and there's gonna be about 3 to 6 10 millimeters that you have to remove, and once that's gone, this part should come right out. So before we do that, I'm gonna put tape on the top because when we pop the trunk and unbolt everything, I want to make sure the spoiler doesn't fall back and hit the glass or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and tape that down right now, and we're gonna pop the trunk and start removing the inner trim. Alright guys, so this is the panel that I'm talking about that we have to remove. Push clips up here and then some random ones. Actually, you know, this guy put it all over the place. Okay, anyway, we got some clips in here. So some of them are push clips and some of them are the regular clips from my recent video that I took where I replaced Dylan's taillights. So I don't know what happened here, but anyway, if you're lucky to get some push clips, then they'll save you some time. But if not, then you gotta do the old-fashioned way and get the flathead and pry these bad boys out. Just be careful not to lose them. What I just did right now, I just removed this piece of plastic off. As you can see, I was wrong. These 3 screws just hold onto this plastic trim, but we actually have to get a Torx and remove the Torx screw, and there is 2 on both sides, which is great. There's actually a T30 Torx. Go ahead and just loosen this out right now. These look a little rusty, so just be careful. I'm gonna push it into it while I turn, just so I can prevent myself from stripping it. So now we're just going to slowly pry it out. Ooh, it's actually really heavy. Yeah. So here it is. Here's the inside. Looks identical to the Sabon one. And now we have the carbon one. So let's throw it in real quick because my battery's dying. Just line it up. That was nice, it just falls right in place. So lay the tape down, emphasizing it. Now, just reverse the order. All right guys, so the spoiler is in. Oh, super loud. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It took about 10-15 minutes to do this spoiler. Just make sure when you do it, you tighten it all the way, but also take your time. You don't want to crack the spoiler, but I did realize halfway through the install that this was one of the screws were off by a little bit because I was afraid to bring it in. So make sure after you install it, you prop it open to check to make sure the screws are completely flush and in all the way, because you don't want to lose this spoiler or cause stress over it. So yeah, another project for the RCF. I hope you enjoyed it. It looks really, really nice. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment if you like this. The RCF is definitely going to be on this channel a little bit more as we do more projects on it. So yeah, stay tuned. Peace.